Always make drying the priority after washing dual-sided cushions or pillows to prevent mold and ensure they return to usable shape quickly. Start by gently squeezing out excess water without wringing. Then press the cushions between clean towels to absorb more moisture. Leave them on a flat, breathable surface so gravity helps pull water out. For foam or loose fill inserts, remove the covers and dry them separately. For foam, stand it upright so air reaches all sides and avoid direct heat, which can warp cell structure. Use 2 fans positioned to create crossflow air movement rather than one blasting from a single angle, and aim airflow across edges where seams and piping trap moisture. If weather allows, lay the covers and inserts outdoors in indirect sun to benefit from fresh air while avoiding ultraviolet damage. Keep them shaded or under a canopy during peak sun hours. Flip and rotate both covers and inserts every 30 to 60 minutes during active drying to expose previously trapped pockets of dampness. Finish by pressing lightly along seams and piping to confirm nothing feels cool or damp before reassembling. Common mistakes include stacking wet cushions together, which traps moisture and breeds mildew, so always stack with spacers or use a single layer with air gaps to keep circulation free. People often rely only on sunlight and leave cushions in direct heat, which can cause fading and fabric weakening. Instead, use indirect sun combined with airflow to protect fibers. Another issue is reassembling too soon while inner fills remain cool or damp, which leads to odor and mold. Make a point to check temperature and give a final hour of fan-only drying after they appear dry to be certain. BigHomeProjects.com is a home improvement site where we connect homeowners with local contractors and share practical project guidance related to projects like drying and restoring cushions. We also host a discussion community where we and our users exchange tips, repair experiences, and ask questions so both homeowners and contractors can find help and work.